Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be exploring the concept of semantic SEO, a term that has been increasingly significant in the SEO industry. I'll explain what it is, how it differs from traditional SEO, and how you can use it to optimize your blog articles to rank higher for your targeted keywords. The idea of semantic SEO has gained a lot of attention recently, especially as search engines continue to evolve. Today, I'll walk you through how semantic SEO works and demonstrate how you can implement this approach to optimize your content effectively. I'll begin with a brief explanation of the theory behind semantic SEO, and then I'll show some practical examples that will help you understand how to apply this technique to your own content. To start, let's examine the difference between traditional SEO and semantic SEO. In traditional SEO, the goal is to target specific keywords in your content. For example, if you're trying to rank for types of marketing, you'd focus on using that exact phrase multiple times in your titles, in your headers, and throughout the article. In traditional SEO, the focus is on repetition. You'll try to use the exact keyword several times within your content, signaling to Google that your article is centered around that specific topic. However, with semantic SEO, the focus shifts. Instead of emphasizing exact keyword matches, the goal is to target related concepts, synonyms, and ultimately to cater to your user's intent. Semantic SEO is less concerned with using a keyword multiple times and more focused on the overall context of the content. It aims to address broader topics and the related questions that your users may have. For instance, if a user searches for types of marketing, they might also be interested in terms like marketing strategies, marketing segmentation, or target audience. These related terms provide context and are part of the broader discussion that Google is looking for in the content. Instead of obsessing over exact phrases, semantic SEO aims to give a richer, more nuanced answer to the search query by focusing on a wide range of related concepts. In short, semantic SEO is designed to capture a more comprehensive picture that your user is searching for, rather than simply focusing on matching keywords. Now that we've discussed the theory, let's dive into a real-world example of semantic SEO that is applied in practice. I pulled up in an article from Investopedia about marketing segmentation. This is a great example of how semantic SEO is used efficiently. Let's take a look at this page. It's ranking for over 6,000 keywords and attracts around 30,000 organic visitors each and every month. At its peak, it was driving over 100,000 visitors per month. So the question is, how can we replicate this kind of success in our own content? To achieve this kind of traffic, we need to target multiple keywords that are related to the main topic, rather than just focusing on a single keyword. This is the essence of semantic SEO. It's about casting a wider net around the main topic. But how do we implement this with so many keywords? It's impossible to include every keyword in your article, but that's where semantic SEO comes in. I've collected a list of about 2,000 ranking keywords from this article in the US alone. Let's break it down and analyze how semantic SEO works in practice. Let's start with the term market segmentation. We can see that the term is used directly in the article after searching it here. Now let's search segments. Here we see that market segments is used, which is closely related to the main keyword, but is not the exact match. This is the power of semantic SEO. Now let's search for the term marketing segmentation meaning. It's not found directly in the article. When we search for meaning, we can see that it's present. This is another example of semantic SEO. It works by focusing on the broader context rather than exact keyword matches. By including semantically related terms like definition, or example, Google still understands that this article is about market segmentation, even if the keywords aren't used repetitively. Instead of relying on the exact phrase market segmentation, you can use variations like demographics segmentation, or target market analysis, or even segmentation strategies. These variations help build out the context of your article. Google understands that these terms are related to the main topic, so the content is ranked accordingly. Now, let's talk about how you can implement semantic SEO in your own articles. First, identify the main keyword that is related to your topic. Now, let's talk about how you can implement semantic SEO into your own articles. First, identify the main keywords related to your topic. Then focus on incorporating semantically related terms and phrases. For example, if your main keyword is market segmentation, include related keywords like example of a market segment, segmentation strategies, target audience, demographics, or so on. See how they come up over here? Segmentation strategies, segmentation marketing. The goal is to create an article that is both comprehensive and relevant, addressing all aspects of the topic in a way that aligns with what users are searching for. By covering all angles and using semantically related phrases, you're providing a complete answer to the search query, which is exactly what Google wants. To wrap it up, semantic SEO is about going beyond just exact keywords. It's about understanding the broader context and incorporating related terms that Google understands and will rank it more efficiently. I hope this video helped clarify semantic SEO and how you can apply it to improve your content strategy. If you have any questions at all, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more SEO tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.